So welcome back to Bangkok. As you saw, we just got off at the Siam BTS stop, and now we're in Siam Square. But we're heading to the MBK Center, right down the far end. We're going to check out what the prices are like, and I'll show you where you can get some genuine, authentic, original sports gear, and we'll check out the prices of some of the fake gear as well. See what it's like in 2026. It's a Tuesday night, mid-January, so seems to be plenty of people around. So we've come up to level 3 zone A, and if you come to the very end you'll find the Super Sports factory store. There's 3 of them, 1, 2, 3, so let's go for a wander through and see if we can find anything interesting. $3,990 down to $2,993, 1,000 baht off. $3,590 down to $2,693. Oh, they seem to like that 9.3. 4.3 or 9.3. That seems to be the theme. 2,693 again. So these are all genuine, authentic brands. You've just got to have a hunt around and see if you can find the ones you like, and then try and find the size that you like and the colour. Oh, 6,990s down to 3,495. 1,090 down to 436 Thai baht. All the same price. There you go, 7,300 Thai baht down to 2,190. 4,300 down to 2,590. Yeah, that's not for everybody. Under Armour, 4,090 down to 16,36. 4,300 down to 2,580. I'd see you coming with those, wouldn't I? These prices, 3,290 down to 1,645. So, oh yeah, half price, 50% off normal retail. 2,000 down to 1,200. 2,100 down to 1,260 Thai baht. $2,000 down to 1,200 Thai baht. So as you can see, there's reasonable discounts on the genuine footwear, but if you're looking for clothes at the moment, there's plenty of discounts for them. Hey, I'm good, thanks, mate. How are you? Do they work? Do they?
Yeah, it's a real phone. It's
real phone?
Working, yes. Yeah, I'm sure you.
It's crazy.
Really?
I'll show you now.
Bunch of the Nokia we had like years
Yeah.
ago. It was
It's the Nokias we had years ago.
Yeah.
what we grew up with.
Yeah.
They're adorable.
Now you can answer. Hello, how are you?
That's nuts.
Where are you from?
That's crazy. Doesn't feel like there's anything inside it. How much you selling them for?
You can put SIM card here, sir. You can use 2 SIM cards.
Okay, can you?
Oh my goodness.
Just take it out and you
Oh, yeah.
use 2 SIM cards.
What's the battery
and you can
life?
Text message. Battery life 2 days.
2 days, oh yeah? Oh, how much is that?
Even on the use.
The power bank also. It's like crazy.
On just this price.
800?
Yes.
Mate, that's amazing. When I lose my phone again, I might get one of these.
And this is very easy to pocket also. You can use it for everywhere. All
So-
country can use it.
All country, so it's fully unlocked.
Unlocked.
Yeah, 800. That's.
Do you have this one?
Oh, I don't know. Yeah, I don't.
If you need a little more discount for you, sir.
Oh, look, if I was looking for a phone, I would seriously consider it 700.
Yes.
No.
All this color.
That's coloured. Hey, thanks for your time,
Well,
mate.
think
That's
about that
that's
because
awesome.
we should take one home for Harry when we go back to
Oh,
New
that's
Zealand.
right.
That would be hilarious.
Okay. What do you reckon about? What do you reckon about that phone? That could be a bit of fun. Little phones, yeah. Oh, those little phones are everywhere. This is the part of the mall I love to hate, because I got my iPhone 16 pickpocketed back in April last year, and after a couple of weeks it was turned back on and it flashed up here in the MBK Center. So if you're getting your iPhone fixed, chances are you could be getting some parts from my phone. When we went to the Apple store here and went to get a new phone, they told me then that the chances are that the phone would end up in the MBK Center. And I'm not saying that any of those guys back there had it, because it didn't pinpoint exactly where it was, because they only turned it on for a short time. But yes, it's the part of the mall I love to hate. Still annoys me. But hey, now I've got shorts with the zips on, so they won't be able to pickpocket. You live and learn. Hello. How much are those straps?
250.
Huh?
250.
Oh,
How much?
250. You got different sizes for the
Yes.
different?
For this all.
Okay, thank you.
We can do discount.
So in case you're wondering, level 4 is all the electronics, phones, speakers, phone accessories, all the bits. So level 4. And there's definitely no shortage of them. There's heaps of them. And they've all got pretty much the same stuff. We're on the bottom floor here with at the sales for the clothes, $9.90 down to $1.99. Feel quite nice. $2.90 for these light jackets. $3.90 for your track pants, Under Armour, not genuine, but probably do the trick all right. All the shorts, 200. Oh, well, that was our look through the MBK at the genuine sports gear. It's a bit of a hit and miss sometimes. You can score a good deal when the sales are on. They're still reasonably cheap, but it's full on. Well, we didn't even show you the some of the clothes part, so you can sit yourself aside, you know, a couple of hours, 2 or 3 hours. They do light it up quite nicely though. See that? BTS heading past. Yeah, anyway, we'll finish it off there. So noisy. So yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. See ya.